阿爸，我来算了，老亲，本了那这自己体了。
台剧《斯卡罗》播出后受到热烈回响，剧中演员的关注度也变高。戏里饰演蝶妹温真菱弟弟的阿杰黄远，拥有客家原住民血统，但对自己的身份始终找不到归属感。戏外的他也是个混血儿，
妈妈是台湾族，
是
爸爸是台湾人，这样子。
没错，他的阿爸就是曾在国际影展中拿下影帝的资深演员黄仲坤。
黄山饭呢，我做唔得承认，同山嘢一句都冇唱。我感觉难听来，就买第一呐，有其他做阿孙阿舅嘛。
黄远在剧中不时铭刻排湾族语3声道切换。他虽然拥有排湾族血统，但是到妈妈这一代已经鲜少用族语啦。这次为了拍摄《斯卡罗》，特别花大把时间重新学习。
也无个迄，阿妹带得唔着迄个，唔想转来，冇想干。
斯卡罗导演曹瑞元当初选角时，就是看中黄远深邃的五官，因为能抓住观众的目光。而黄远拍摄完斯卡罗后，选择在恒春定居2年，有时到朋友的海边酒吧打工。热爱大自然的他，闲暇时会跑去爸爸黄仲坤山上的家放松心情。
镇狼军，出发！
一起逛超市，一起逛超市，我最喜欢逛超市。
Pause before talk. Isn't that how the American government views China?
And our best outcome is to keep Lanka one piece. I hope we won't have to use force.
Cow shit! We're looking for the sailors!
The desire to ban interactions between the Han and the savages cause more problems than you can solve.
Itsuana, Bararut, Ijaf.
Machichiya, Namasayama, Samayan, Aimada.
You're worse than the savages.
He say this little traveling. He will take us over the mountain.
Asilum kiao. Tian atau kama nakmas. 这个雇佣看他早早。
Napakasuta kaya sukulong tiyanaan. Pabayanan na kumajita早早. Magkatiyanan siya irawalanan na zumapatsukan.
Ako matsakuso na panawanan. Asinusuha早早.
Asini mo na kinalian, naukina. Timatsuka ngatan.
I need to trust you to protect you. If I can't protect you, how can you protect Lanka? General, beware of being exploited by those savages. We're here to arrest the murderers.
In my eyes, all the savages in Langjiao are murderers.
I'll have some of that.
Mamma mia, mamma mia, hey!
I'll have some of that.
Based on the true fact. And it will bring people back on the 19th century.
镇狼军，出发！
一起逛超市，一起逛超市，我最喜欢逛超市。